Hello friends, this is the Pure Magnet and today I'm going to talk to you regarding relationships. Not happy relationships or rotten relationships. Why relationships fail? Why relationships become rotten? And it is called ACER. It is because of ACER relationships fail. A stands for advantages. When a married couple or a romantic couple, they seek advantages in a relationship, it is bound to fail. C stands for control. When one partner is trying to always control every movement of another partner, it causes agitation, disturbance. So because of control, relationship is bound to fail. E stands for escapist mentality or escapism. There are people who want to be in a relationship, but they do not want to share the problems. They only want goody. So they escape from the challenges and problems of a relationship. And R stands for rottenness. When a person is a rotten human being, relationship is bound to fail. I talk to many couples, romantic couples, married couples, and they tell me, Dhruva, don't get married. And I'm happy to be single. Because when you do not want to share, you just want to extract in a relationship, this is what happens. ACER. A stands for advantages, C stands for control, E stands for escapism, and R stands for rottenness. So these are the reasons why relationships fail. So if you want to be happy, seek growth, you got to think about entering in a relationship very carefully. Do you really need to be in a relationship? That is the first question. If not, focus on inner growth and you will be happy. This is the Pure Magnet.